Hi folks. Today we have one more challenge. So basically here we have array of object. We have array of object. Within this, based on the key, I want to get the array of object. Based on the key, I want to get the array of object. So here name a city. Those are all keys, right? So based on city, I want object. Okay, based on city, I want object. Let's suppose. So here city New York, city Chicago, and city San Francisco, and city New York. So I want only New York City. I want only New York City persons. I want only New York City persons within the array of object. Okay. So let's jump into the code. So initially I'm taking const city is a variable name. Okay. I'm taking New York. Okay. I'm taking New York. So after that, so here I'm using filter method. Here I'm using filter method. Const filtered by city. So after that, array dot filter. Array dot filter. After that, array dot filter. So I'm taking argument person. Okay. Take a callback function. So here person dot city. I'm using strict mode comparison. Person dot city equal to based on city. Okay. Here I'm passing city, right? Okay. Now I am consoling filtered by city. Okay. Now I open terminal window. I'm running. Yeah. You can get two objects. You can get two objects within the array. Those persons are New York City. Okay. Those persons are New York City. This is the way of filtering array of object. Filtering array of object based on the city. So let's take one more example. So now I want based on the city and based on the age. Based on the city and based on the age. So now I'm taking initially I commented this one. Simply const criteria. Const criteria is equal to city. I'm taking New York. I'm taking New York and age 25. Okay. So now I want based on city and based on age. I want to array of object. I want to array of object. Okay. Const. Okay. Filtered array. I'm taking. Okay. Here array dot. I'm using filter. I'm using filter method. So within this I'm taking a person as an argument. I'm taking a callback function. I'm taking a callback function. So here simply person dot city and criteria dot city. Okay, person dot city dot and person dot age. I'm using strict mode comparison. Criteria dot age. Okay, criteria dot age. Okay, so I'm using here filter method person dot city using triple equal to criteria dot city and person dot age triple equal to criteria dot age. Now I am consoling. Okay, I'm saving. Open terminal window. I'm clear console. Now again I'm running. See, you can get name John, age 25, city New York. So see, here we have within the array of object name John, age 25, city is New York. Here also one of the things New York. Okay, age 27. But based on the criteria, city is New York, age 25. You have only one object. You have only one object. So now you can get the output. This is the output. Okay. I'm uncommented this one. That's it, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.